Hi everyone, my name is Katie Scott and I'm the National Education and Training Manager with Colorescience, here to share with you some exciting new innovation from our product line. Give your eyes a boost with Total Eye Restore Regimen. With powerful clinical ingredients, the regimen works to immediately minimize the appearance of dark under eye circles, puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles, all while delivering long-term results to restore the eye area, which is the most delicate area on our face. Be protected all day with Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy SPF 35. This smoothing, nutrient-rich formula with 100% mineral sunscreen provides chemical-free SPF 35, defense against photoaging, while a peach tone tint provides immediate brightness. Power your eyes all night with our Total Eye Concentrate. This potent, concentrated blend of active ingredients delivers immediate cooling, hydrating, and long-term results against visible signs of aging in the eye area. And for days where you could use an Ultra Boost, follow the Total Eye Concentrate with the Total Eye Hydrogel treatment masks, infused with powerful ingredients to provide intense hydration and improve the appearance of eye area concerns. Radiant and refreshed, daytime, nighttime, all the time. You can find Total Eye Restore Regimen as well as your favorite Colorescience products here at LovelySkin.com or at the LovelySkin retail store.